pants that just didn't fit, right? Especially in the bath, as we can see our back view our own self in the fitting room. Yeah, me too. But instead of tossing them out, I'm turning them into a chic, totally custom piece. Hi fashion lover! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Evelyn, and in today's video, I'm going to be flipping a pair of my pants that just, let's just say, not exactly my favorite to wear right now. They are ill-fitting and I just can't seem to make them work. But I've got a plan. I'm going to sim ripping all the pen components and reworking them with my perfectly fitting pattern, then recutting and sew them back for a flawless fit. And I'm going to add a chic side panel to the pants to give them some variation and hopefully make them more comfortable to wear. So let's get into it. Stay tuned to see how I add a cool side panel.
So, here's the pair of pants I'm working with today. They're actually pretty, cute from the front, but the fit in the back, especially around the butt, could use some love. I've had this in my closet for a while, and I've tried to wear them a couple of times, but they just aren't cutting it. See, it's like they're just baggy right here. I was just scrolling through Pinterest, not looking for anything in particular, just letting the inspiration find me. And then I saw this, a pair of pants with delicate lace tracing down the sides. Feminine, unexpected, bold, but in the quietest way. That was it. That one detail. It changed everything. I saw in the fabric I had lying around. Suddenly, my plain pants had a new story to tell. Side panels, lace, not just an addition, but a transformation. This was the moment the idea took shape, and I couldn't wait to bring it to life. Only in two things. One, the waist, where the pants sit, which is the measurement of the line where the belly button is. Two, the hip measurement. The waistline divided by 2 is supposed to be at this line. And the hip line plus 8 cm divided by 2 is supposed to be this line. You can adjust my pattern to your own measurement and smooth the line with curved ruler. First thing first, I need to figure out how much fabric to add to the side. I'm thinking of adding 4 cm. So I measure the fabric, cut, and sew them down both right and the left side. I want the panel to blend in, but also be noticeable enough to add some style. As I add 4 cm at the right and the left side of the pants, I also need to reduce 4 cm, the same amount, from the pattern. So I reduce 2 cm at the front pattern and 2 cm at the back pattern. I measure my fabric carefully using a ruler. Mark the points with an erasable pen for precision. Connect the marks with clean lines, then cut along the outline to get the perfect piece form. Once the pieces were cut, I pin them together. Front, side panels to back, edge to edge, making sure everything was aligned. Then it was time to bring them to the sewing machine. The real transformation starts here. It's time to sew the panel onto the side of the pants. I'm using a straight stitch. Make sure to go slowly to keep everything even and straight. Once the fabric is attached to both sides, it should look something like this. I love how it's adding a bit of shape and style already. So far, I only work at the side. I didn't alter anything at the waist area. I notice here that the back side is too high. I compare this to my pants which are also low-rise but comfortable to wear. I begin by picking up the old pair of pants. They've seen countless days, worn and loved for their perfect fit. The fabric still holds the memory of comfort. I pull out the new pair, crisp and stiff with potential. I carefully measure them against the old ones, looking for subtle differences. A few extra centimeters here, a slight excess there. The difference is 4 planning to cut the backside and change the waistband to match the new position. But I'm gonna make it work. Alright, it's time to tackle the waistband. Measure on the pants how much the length of the waistband needed, which is the blue line. Draw a straight line half of the waist measurement. Draw another line 3.5 cm apart, which is the width of the waistband. Mark half of the length minus 2 cm. And connect them. Mark half of the angled line and measure 0. Draw a smooth line with curved ruler. Measure again half of the waist using the angle. It's looking clean and the fit is just right. Everything lines up perfectly with the measurement I use. It will help with assembly when I'm ready to sew. Here's the finished draft. Can you see the angle difference between before and after? I'm going to remove this old one. I'm using a seam ripper to carefully undo the stitching, so I can take it off without damaging the pants. I love a good waistband transformation because, honestly, a new waistband can totally change the fit of a pair of pants. Now that the draft is complete, I can move on to transferring to the fusible interfacing and fabric and cutting it out. With precision, I mark the areas to alter. A small change, a few stitches. Soon, the new pants will fit just as comfortably as the old ones. I laid the fabric flat, smooth and ready. This piece will become the waistband, the part that holds everything together. Carefully, I measure and cut, making sure every line is clean, every edge precise. There's no rushing this part. The waistband needs structure, support. I'm just going to attach the waistband to the top of the pants. It's pretty simple. It is a quiet moment of craft, unseen by most but essential to the perfect fit. Next, I take the interfacing, a hidden strength, and place it gently onto the fabric. With a steady hand, I press it in place with the iron. I finish the inside of the waistband with bias tape, and lastly, secure everything with stitch on the ditch. It's getting dark outside, but I'm still here, putting the final touches on this tray flip. There's something about transforming the old into something new. It just feels right. Once it's sewn on, it's looking a lot better. It's definitely more snug, but still comfortable. Here's the final result. I love how the side panel gives the pants a bit more edge and shape, and the new waistband fits perfectly. Look at how much better they fit. So much more comfortable around the waist, and the side panel are giving them a chic, updated look.
Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Flashing red lights, driving at night when
I'm honestly really happy with how this turned out. If you are ever in a situation with pants that just aren't quite right, this is such a simple way to give them new life. Whether you want to add side panels, change the waistband, or even just do a little hemming, It can make a huge difference in the fit and look. Thanks so much for watching today's thrift flip. I hope this gave you some inspiration to tackle your own pants that might need a little TLC. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. And let me know in the comments what other thrift flip you want to see next. Until next time, and happy sewing!